It's that time of the week again. Ignore all those. Ignore all those. Don't even think about those. Grab a headset so I can hear what's actually going on. We can get started on the madness. I want to queue. Maybe you've already played back to found it. Sound cute. Sound cute. Now can I? No. Hi. Can I just like, yeah? Sound. Can I not just? Yeah, there we go. Ah, wait, we need wave player. That's fine. We can just drag them in. Don't even need no brain disengage-o. This is the kind of video game making that I want to engage with. Drag and drop, click and pop. What's the one for attenuation branch, concatenator, continuous modulator, crossfade by continuous modulator, adds continuous modulator, no delay, crossfade by parameter, crossfade by distance, delay, dial player, Doppler envelope, group control looping, mature mixer modulator, oscillator. Pitch. I want pitch. Let's go look at one of the example content, boys. These are very loud sounds, aren't they? Oh. Really? Is that it? Sure, one of these is gonna have a determines a random pitch modification. It is just a modulator. Okay, that's fine. Uh, I'll make a queue for that. It's basically going to be the same thing though, isn't it? Sounds queue. Pick up. Don't need that, that's done. Yeah. Cha-check. Cha-check. Oh, there's just a button to add input there. I thought that was another output pin. I don't know why, but I did. I don't think we need the modulator really. It's not going to do anything. It's just it's essentially just white noise. Very good sound effect. Very good. I will make a cue for that because that's a bit dry, isn't it? It's a bit dry. Sure. Sweet. Okay, so I don't have a sound for immortality or anything like that. Oh, poopy. We're gonna go implement these though. Go to our BM character. Boy, this is messy. Pick up one up. Pick up immortal. A weapon up shotgun. Scooby doo doo. Scooby doo doo. Already powered up. Check. Up. Play LED pan. Magic leap. Oh. Keep pick up. Okay, get rid of that. Pick up one up. Play sound 2D. 1 up. Bubbleman actual. Sure, he's got a thing, right? Death. Play sound 2D. If I type in death, player death A, there we go. Ooh. Weapon BP basic. Play sound at location. Blast. Event graph, here we go. Yeah. Get actor location, sure. Coin. It's fine. I should have done this last week. This is so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Mostly because I've done it all already. And the ghost. Death Lesion. That is if. What is Death Lesion? Player damage. Get actor location. Big messy. I don't think I missed anything. I've got a weird sound effect that I'm not using. That like fanfare thing. Haha. me a shotgun power up, you fiend. There's a shotgun right there. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm having too much fun, I'm so sorry. I think a big thing is a big thing is coins don't really last long enough to pick up, which is a big shame. I said I'd do this. I said I could do this to make this actually work. Hello. Just put it here in the death, and so when you spawn anyway. That should get rid of about half the errors anyway. The other half the errors are basically just, I don't know why they're coming up as errors. They're they just check collision basically. They check a tag in collision, and basically when the ghosts are colliding with things that aren't the player, or the player is colliding with things that aren't the ghosts rather, it's checking the collision and it's returning an error because it's not a ghost, because it doesn't have player damage tag. Which is there to damage the player when they smack into a ghost. I'm just keeping it nice and tidy. I don't want to. Oh, hello. Hello. Anyway, oh, has that text been on the screen the whole time, insinuating that I wasn't even here? How dare! Hmm. I want to change the ghost noise, the ghost death noise. I want to make a cue for it. Can I just right click on it and make cue? Yeah. That's fine. Just add the modulation to it because it's getting boring hearing the same ghost modulator output. Boom. You. That'll do. Where is it? Other thing that we can do, we can get a BP coin. So event begin play. We have a lifespan variable, but it is set to 0 apparently. I don't see anywhere where it is actually set. Let's just check the actual coins. I'm not sure if I did anything. Lifespan 0. So it's going to be between 4 seconds and -2 seconds. So this is why they're just disappearing. It's silly. Score coin. What is this? Whatever. So if we what kind of coins have we got? We got copper, gold, and silver. So if we make can we actually change the lifespan variance? So it's gonna add 2 or it's gonna take 2 off. Then we got copper. Lifespan is gonna be 4. Lifespan is gonna be 2. Oh, 3. Yeah, sure, whatever. No, 2. No, 3. No, 2. And I don't know why I have it going either way. this is going to be 3. So now when we kill a ghost, yeah, they don't stick around that long. Did that land on my head? That's pretty pog. That's pretty cool. I like that. We're on a roll. What was that noise? Pure silence. It was. I guess I was just being paranoid. Wait, no, I heard something. I think it was my headset. So we got sound effects. We got. I don't know what all this crap is in my level. What is this? Ghost spawner. Ah, it's the okay. It's the baby collector. Okay. Yeah, we need those. Oh. Weird. Stop rumbling in my headsets. Everyone, just stop it. I'm obviously not entirely happy with the environment. It's a bit of a janky environment, but it's properly made this time. It's not, everything lines up at least. The only thing I don't get is this, like, these are two separate things, but the glass material on the window is, well, it's just cut through the wall. I don't understand why. Makes me very sad. Anyway, oh yeah, this is the texture I was talking about earlier. Oh my god, slime. So another thing that we need to do for what the hell? Another thing we need to do for the game is to death camera. Yes. Death camera, and also a bit of cleanup. I think cleanup is going to have to be in Bubbleman Actual, I think. Kill, yes. Death, target is BI lives. Get all actors of class. Select class. What's the class? That's a material. Native parent class. Actor. For God's sake. Pickup parent. Is that it? Pickup parent. is. Queen. Each. Oh no, we're running out of room here. What the hell? I think that's good. You think that's good? I think that's good. It only happens when you die, so it shouldn't slow the game down like miles. But also, disable input. What you doing there, buddy? And where to put this in? Here, maybe? Can I collapse this to a macro? Can I collapse it to a function? Oh, I can collapse it to a function. Yes, baby. It's gonna be called pickup coin garbage collection. Why are blueprints so wildly lateral? Why can't they be like stacky? Why can't they be like cubes instead of lines? You know? Do you know what I mean? You know, everything gets real stringy, and there's no way to like de-stringify it. So now, if there's any coins or if there's any power-ups in the stage when you die, they get cleared up when you die. compiled. It's always a good sign. We got to test it. So we got a spawner power up. Okay, we got a power up, and now we gotta die, and it's gonna clear the power up. Oof. And it happens fast. Oh, look at that. We've only got a fraction of the errors that we had last time. Isn't that beautiful? The other thing we need to do is actually let's just have a listen to that sound that we've got there. I like it. Do you know what we're gonna do? Can I create a queue? This is gonna be queue immortality over. The funny queue immortality over, haha, because queue is a how do I play this? How do I play it backwards? Mix modulator, oscillator, column around, switch. Enveloper, Doppler, delay, crossfade. Wave parameter name. Oh god. Actually, continuous modulator. Haha. No. Modulator. Now. That does not play it backwards, does it? I don't want a pitch curve. Volume curve. Okay, no, never mind. That's not something we can do here. Delete. But you know where we can do it? Here. Unreal Projects, Bubble Man. Oh, I didn't put it here at all. I put it in G. Sound project folder. Here we go. Badoop. Effect. Reverse. Export as a wave file. Badoop. B. Nope. Open the old Windows Explorer. Sound project folder. Badoop B. Bring it in. No. I don't think we need this. It's the same thing, 4 seconds of delay. What I'm gonna do is just custom add custom event. There we go. Spawn immortality. Yeah, both these boys do the same thing. Here we go. Spawn immortality. Spawn immortality. Target self. That should work, right? It says it works. Play sound 2D. Badoop A. Oh, we can change some stuff there if it's too loud. I love that. I was wondering about that because some of these sounds are a little bit spicy, aren't they? Play sound 2D. Badoop B. So now, when immortality is about to run out, you get a cheeky little notification. It goes, bada 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 bada, and then it cuts you off. Ah. These actually need to be the other way around. Just so you know, all the deactivation happens after the sound happens, right? Sound happens, it activates. Sound happens, it deactivates. That is Oh, what the hell just happened there? Gotta test it thoroughly, man. It's all the same thing. Look, I'll promise. I'll show you. I'll show you where it is. It's here. Event hit. Actor has tag. Return value. Boom. It's just that if an actor doesn't have a tag at all, it doesn't know what to do, apparently. Print string. In development only. Haha. Yep, coins will trigger it. Excellent. Why did coins trigger it so many times, though? Coins are not always triggering it. Yeah, babies are triggering it. It's mostly babies and coins that are triggering this, so... Oof. Yeah, so we got a whole bunch of errors, blah blah blah, whatever. So if we go to, I'm guessing, I mean, what's it on? Is it? It's on the character, right? It's on Bubbleman Actual. It's kill. Yeah, we don't have to print it to a log now. I mean, the hacky way to do it would be to give everything a tag. The correct way to do it would be to make a parent class for the ghosts and then check to see if it's the class rather than if it has the tag. Can I just check that out actually for a second? It's with BPPM Ghost. Can I just so this is a BMG basic. So if we go to our ghost spawner, yes, change this to a BMG basic, save, and if we go to BM character, it's already open, ignore me. Actor has class. Actor class. Get class equal to class, and then this is BP BM ghost. So if we have a second ghost that walks in a different pattern, he can be a child and he'll still kill the player. 2 meters back, 2 meters back, 2 meters back, 2 meters back. Why is he not killing me? Well, there are no errors, so obviously that's a way of... Is that not correct? BPPM Ghosty should be a child class. BMG Basic. Damage source name. What is that? What is damage source name? No tags. Oh, it has the tag ghosty. Okay. Has the correct AI. Has the correct thing. Class settings. BPBM Ghosty. Whether or not this blueprint is class is constant class or not, should select class constant in the Kismet compiler. Interesting. I mean, obviously BMG Basic is going to work. Obviously. But why doesn't it work with the parent class? Because the child class should be the parent class, right? Moreover, why didn't it this has already a tag ghosty. Does this have also the tag? This also has the tag ghosty. What the hell was I doing? What was going? Wait, what? Damage source name is an array. Damage source. Find references. Get damage source name. Tags. Right, this is really weird. Then begin play sequence. Get all access of class. BP ghost spawner. Why do I need that? Eh? Why do I need that? Why do you need a reference to the level of the ghost spawner? Ah, here we go. Ah, I see, it's for incrementing the ghosts. Okay, never mind. That's fine then. This, I don't know. This appends damage source to the list of tags on the ghost. Okay. That's fine. Death lesion. Oh, here we go. And this is... Event actor begin overlap. What are we doing here? Event hit. Maybe this is why it wasn't working. Actor has tag ghost spell row on purpose. It's cool, okay? It's fun. Video game development is cool and fun. Read. He's not killing me. It has the tag. No, it has the tag. Access BP BM coin C4 via property P. Find. Show it to me. So I I want to chase this down because it keeps flagging up an error. It's error. But at the same time, what can I do? If every time I try and change it to code that seems to work, to code that doesn't throw up any errors, it just throws it back in my face like, your code is bad. Well, Epic Games, maybe your code is bad. It doesn't seem to update the tag on these ghosts. It doesn't seem to want to read the tag on these ghosts as ghost. Let me just check that, yeah, it's ghost with a capital G, and it was not working. Now we've set it to damage source, I know it has a function. It has a function in the ghost. Hi. To append the list of tags on spawn of these to damage source, and it's not killing me. I don't have any errors though. Oh, no, there's some. Is it because they can't overlap me? Is it because they can't overlap me? Yeah. Hey, look, someone's still subscribed. Wait, did someone resubscribe? Moobot. You know what? At great risk of I don't want Microsoft Edge, thank you. At great risk of exposing my Twitch identity to the world. You in chat, buddy? Moobot is already sent to chat. Okay. Also, hi. Status all okay. Channel settings. I don't really care about any of this. Gotta renew it each month. Well, yeah, you gotta renew it each month, but it didn't even pop up in my activity feed that anyone had resubscribed. I noticed that people had not renewed it. No pressure. No pressure, boys. I'm not even angry. Like I almost certainly know who that was, and I don't mind. I understand that there are other people on Twitch that people want to follow. Let me just see if Moobot will respond to me. I don't want plus. I want chat notifications. Follow notifications. Oh, I need a subscription. Yeah, they're a chat resubscriber. Yeah, it's on. It should have. You know, they forgot. Someone should have had a message in chat about resubscribing to my channel, and I'm assuming it was you. Sorry about that. Moobot is dicking people around these. I don't know what's gonna. It works great for everybody else, right? It was me. Dio. Oh, I have chat on Moobot as well. I can haha. I can just have chat here and Moobot in the background. Is that not a function? Sweats in Moobot. And Moobot is here. Moobot's just... Do I have to open it in web every time I want to use it? Don't even answer that. I know no one here has the answer to that. Don't even... Why don't the ghosts kill me? I programmed this game perfectly to be flawless. Oh yeah, I remember. We don't have overlap events because they can't overlap with us actually. Event. Just go back to hit. Contact. Hit. Primitive component object reference. Other. So now this should work exactly as it did when we started the stream. My immortality runs out and I die. Oh! But check it out, we don't have any crazy messages on the screen about stuff. Second thing, can I change that to ghost? And I fixed it by writing the exact same code twice. Haha. Oh look, it works. They've inherited the tag. I don't know why the guns weren't inheriting tags. That was... wow. Not entirely sure how it was counting down my immortality while I was dead, but fun fact. It works fine now, which means that we actually don't need this anymore. We don't need that. We don't need that. Compile, save, play. Beautiful, excellent. So now I have a child class of ghosts that I can mess with. I can make other child classes of ghosts. In fact, that could be cool. I get it's. I wish there was like a weighted random picker. Is that too much code to write today? What is this? This is RTX off. This is. No tessellation. So give me a quick rundown of my game so far. Oh. So wait. It's a recreation of Chris Chadwick's Blitter Boy Operation Monster Mall for the PlayStation in Unreal Engine without RTX. You play as a spaceman and you escort babies from the mall. Oh, poopy, it's back! And you kill ghosts with gun. With shotgun. God damn it. Yeah, it's very... That's gotta stop happening. Ah, yes. Demo disc 42, baby. Also, the shotgun in this game is just... You thought the Doom shotgun was good. This is just... I'm pretty sure it despawns the bullets on hit, so you can't have, like, Omega kill, but... Rainbow gun was OP. Ah, the rainbow gun. His This is making me so angry. Not irrationally so, okay? Is there a way I can just ignore that error? Because it doesn't affect playback. It doesn't affect gameplay, okay? All it is the engine goes to ask the baby or the coin or the wall or whatever you've just walked into, hey, do you have the tag ghost? And they say, we don't have any tags. What are you talking about? And the engine goes, dude, they don't have any tags. This is bad. And it tells me every time that they don't have any tags. And it doesn't need to. It doesn't need to tell anyone that it doesn't have any tags. Simply not having a tag should just be the false boolean. Shouldn't cause an error. And because we have code for the end of the false boolean, it should just print the message to the screen. God damn it. And it's frustrating because I don't know why it keeps doing it. I mean, I know why it keeps doing it. I just told you why it keeps doing it. But it doesn't keep doing it. It keeps not doing it. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. And I don't know why it's not doing what it's supposed to do, because it should be doing what it's supposed to do. Because that's what it says it does. Making video games, everybody, fun and cool. Screw it, I'm going to make a word processor program in Unreal Engine next. It's going to be way more fun than this 108 key input. While shift held, caps A input. God, could you imagine? Oh, but you could have it RTX, you could have the text could be 3D, the text could be on fire. Why did I think this was a good idea? Blitter Boy was the best game on that demo. Blitter Boy was renowned as one of the most finished, well-polished Net Rose games that was ever made, and it won an award in the competition that it was written for. He wrote it for a competition, a game jam, I guess, back in the 90s. And it won first place at the game jam that he wrote it for. I am not Chris Chadwick. I did not enter the Net Rose game jam in 1997 or 1998, whenever it came out. I was a baby then, with a baby brain, and honest to God, a Sinclair, a ZX, whatever it was more than too much to wrap my feeble brain around in those days. So yeah, love playing the demo though. I remember I played that demo so many times. It had the theatrical Metal Gear Solid trailer as well. Shout out to Hideo Kojima, like for the 900th time on this channel. Nice. You did the research into it though. I did literally no research. The only research I did was somebody asked what game I was ripping off, and I thought I felt real guilty that I didn't know who actually made Blitter Boy, and in fact I'd forgotten the name of the game, so I had to go to the Wikipedia, and it's there in the Net Rose. It's in fact its only citation is on the demo disc 42 Wikipedia page, which somehow exists. I think it was on the Net Rose wiki, and it was like, yeah, it was programmed by Chris Chadwick. It's called Blitter Boy, and I was just like, oh yeah. Beyond that, it's all from memory. I can't exactly, just port code from a PlayStation disc into Unreal. That's not how PCs work. I know we all wish that's how PCs work, but it's not how PC work. Also, earlier today, I know this is gonna be a weird flex for everyone else in the chat, but I didn't really play Destiny 2, but I booted up Destiny 2 and I hung out in the tower for all of 3 minutes with an ultra wide monitor setup. I made an NVIDIA think all my monitors were one monitor, and then I played in like 1080 by 5000, and it was stupid. FOV max. I also played Quake RTX with that, and it was also stupid. Quake 2 RTX has got horrible frame rate. I just gotta put this out there. Like, I know it's like, it's gonna ray trace everything. Ray tracing costs a lot of GPU power. Okay, a lot of what's going on underneath Quake 2 RTX isn't actual ray tracing. I mean, it is, but it's not. if you turn off the noise filter, which interpolates basically all of the ray tracing, that is the ray tracing. That's the raw ray tracing data you get, and it is, I don't want to say it's borderline unplayable, but it is definitely worse than the original graphics. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna take that print. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna just delete that. Compile and save. And we're gonna move on to the section which is actual gear, actual stuff that actual people care about. Which requires me to steal the code from a project that I stole from a book that I got for practically no money. Barrel Boys. There is actually only one boy in Barrel Boys. Oh. Steam VR needs to set itself up for app containers. Well, Steam VR, how about you fuck off? Barrel content levels. So this is the game that they get you to build. Oh no! Oh no, it's just streaming in. We didn't delete it. Don't worry. It's just streaming in. Shade is compiling. It'll pop in any second now. There it is. Remember me? Oh Jesus! Remember me? Look, it's Destiny 1 moon tiles. And it looks so freaking awesome in the Unreal Engine. Well, it's just a texture and a bump map. It looks the same in all engines, practically. But I spent time on this, okay? I want you all, everyone watching who's just leaving, they're leaving now because this is the boring segment where I fawn over the things that I spent hours creating. Hell yeah. Yeah, you know. But yeah, Destiny across 3 monitors. I was like 200 FPS in orbit, and I was like, whoa. Because I haven't played it since I got the new graphics card. Anyway, it's not what I came here for. I came here for BP Barrelman, maybe? And then there'll be... Oh, God. Cast a BP Barrel game mode. Jesus, no. Why would you... Why? Spawn camera actor, here it is. Death camera location, camera mode, camera actor is valid, destroy actor, set game mode, camera, game camera, game, set view target with blend. Death camera location. Game mode camera. Did you try ODST in the PC MCC? Funny story about the PC MCC. I'm playing through all of the games with a friend from university, and we just got to ODST. He said to me, "Did you install ODST? Did you remember to update your DLC list so you have ODST installed?" And I said yes. And then I went to play it, and I did not. So half an hour later, we started playing, and he said he wasn't enjoying it. I love ODST, best Halo game ever made, and yeah, it's on the PC. Hooray! Turn the sensitivity down, please. Oh my god. So what are we doing here? Class camera actor, okay. Death camera location, okay. Spawn camera actor, death camera location. Right. Bet the new Mombasa Night looks great on PC. Yeah, it looks kind of like it did on the Xbox, to be honest with you. I was kind of disappointed after playing Halo 1 Anniversary and Halo 2 Anniversary. Like, the graphics on Halo 3 are kind of crusty. I don't remember them being that bad, to be honest with you, but I will level with you. I played them on a 360p CRT, back in the day. Back of the dead. And this TV actually here. Maybe I should play it on the original TV that I played it on the first time. Maybe it'll look the same. Maybe it won't. I think there was 3 didn't get updated. No, 3 didn't get updated. ODST didn't get updated. 4 didn't get updated yet. Oh, they'll make us pay more money for that though if they do it. And it doesn't look bad, but like if you zoom in on people's faces, it gets a bit kind of crusty. So I've got to try and understand what the fuck is going on here. Game mode camera is a camera. Left click to select variable pin type. Right click to toggle the type as an array. No thank you. Camera actor. Game mode camera. Is valid input object. Set game mode camera. Destroy. Okay. Set constraint aspect ratio. Set get player controller player index 0 return value set view target with blend. Ah, yes, this is a problem. Barrelman. I don't want Barrelman, I want Bubbleman. Where is the respawn functionality? Is it in the game mode base? It is. God damn it. Well, that's fine. That's fine. Because it's fine. Jesus. Yes. No. It's fine. It's fine to have the respawn stuff in the game mode today. Maybe you should think about moving that to the player controller, but whatever. Event respawn, cast BP Bubbleman controller, spawn transform. It's hidden for a reason. I don't need this. So there's some score resetting here, and there's some set death camera. Oh wow, this is so much more in depth than what I have for Bubbleman. God damn it. Set alive. We have a living boolean just to make sure nothing can do anything while we're dead. Which is annoying. I know. It's probably a smart idea actually. Let's get the Bubbleman actual up here. Camera activate. Oh yeah, right. This is gonna be. Can we have different color? Yes. I'll put a comment around those comments. Power ups. Color bubble. Comment color the background of the comment bubble shown when zoomed out. Yes. Comment color. I'll do. Oh shit, he flipped it. That's crazy. How'd you do that? Is that one of the rad point rewards? It's a bit pink, but whatever. It's bright, so we can see it at a distance. That's the main thing. Modified it with rad orbs. Nice. Look at that, children. If you buy rad orbs, if you spend rad orbs, you can spin my emotes, you can flip my emotes. What is this crunching? I don't want to sound unenthusiastic, but there's like a lot of work to get the camera working. And it's gonna suck. Set to baby gun. We're gonna move that. Yeah. We're gonna move that down. Because utilities, variables. I want a new variable, baby. Alive. Set. Set. Oh, you can grayscale them? Damn. That's so cool. I'm gonna add another branch to the kill. God damn it. Go on then. Go on then. Go on, easy. Easy. Well, there goes 1800 orbs. Ah, you earn them fast enough, especially if you're a subscriber to the channel. God damn it. Hey. Can't stop plugging. Okay. So there's. I might actually collapse this to a macro because I don't see myself editing this in the near future. I'll hold off on collapsing it into a macro. Because the whole camera stuff might get funky. It might get funky. Death. Target is BI live. Disable input. Pick up coin garbage collection. Play sound 2D. Destroy actor. Destroy actor. A current weapon. Yes, that was very helpful. There were errors because it was trying to destroy a weapon that wasn't there on spawning rather than killing the weapon when I die. Which I guess, does it really matter? Who knows? Set. Alive. There's a lot of branches here and it doesn't make me happy. Branches are bad apparently for computer programming. They make things slow. Yeah. Oh, we need a thing as well to get the location of the camera. How does the Barrel Boys camera work? Why aren't there any barrels? Right. As many errors in that one apparently. Did it ping out? I can't remember. Honestly, I wasn't paying attention. Like when you die, it's a very loud video game. I know. Turn it down for me. I don't know what you're gonna have to do for you. It doesn't look that loud on my bars, but goddamn, is it invasive to the ears? Why did I make this? Why did I think this was a good idea? Oh, it's all default assets. I see. Ear explosions. Immortal. Something about this game ain't right. It snaps. It snaps out. Right, okay. Yeah, just ignore all that. So we got, yeah, so we just cast BP barrel game mode set, death camera location, camera get wall transform, get game mode, return set, and then this, wait, death camera location, get world set, the value of death camera location. Event respawn, death camera location, spawn actor, camera actor. Nice. Game mode camera is valid. I'll probably just copy all this. Set view target with blend. Be helpful. Yes! Yes! Oh, it wasn't you. Or it was you? Or there's just a massive delay? Who knows? Wait. I've no idea. Maybe someone subbed, like, while I was offline. But that would show up in this, right? I don't know. It was apparently I had to send a message to get it to trigger. Oh, right. Do you get like a box? Like I've never subscribed to a channel of my own volition before, so I don't know. Like, oh, actually, no, I did once, but it didn't. They didn't have a bot. So, do you have like a box to put that in, or like a second box, or like? Thanks, Moobot. Anyway, for it prompts it. Ah, cool. I always wondered how that worked. I'm gonna have to customize the messages. I think I've got some messages for. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Just yeah. Send it to me. Set view target with blend. Right. Target is player controller. Target always player controller, or Well, let's get a game mode. So I think hello Bendy boy. What's going on? Get down there. I lassoed you. Sequence, that is gonna be, love me some computer programming. So we need to create a game mode camera, maybe? Camera actor object reference. No idea what's going on. You just here to support me. Oh well, I'm making a video game. I thought that was kind of obvious. Hey. But yeah. Beyond that, I mean, even I'm pretty foggy at this point. I'm just basically copying the stuff that I did like a year ago. Set death camera. So that's this boy. That's this boy. Death camera location. So we need a transform as well. Spawn transform. Death camera transform. And guess what? It's going to be a transform. Who would have thought? Now, what code do I use to actually doof that dude? Spawn actor, camera actor. Spawn. Oh wait, no. Spawn actor, camera actor is valid. Game mode camera. All right, okay. Do you know what? Can I just, you know? Hey, can I copy your homework? Yeah, but like make it look a bit different. Yeah, there we go. Some real horrible blueprint going on here. It just goes up here, right? Set view target with blend. Can you do that? Just like Goblin Kit bash it in. Press the combine button. If it gives you green tick, then yes. Because a lot of things in Unreal like this. So it's a set view target with blend with player controller. Player controller's a generic Unreal thing. All Unreal programs, all Unreal game will have player controller. If they don't, you can't control the player. Duh. It's pretty simple, I think, at the baseline. But because they all have player controller, anything that references a player controller and a player controller index 0 is always going to be the first player controller, player 1, single player game, whatever. That's always going to work. That's fine. That just doofs on cameras. We got a camera object reference. We made one. We have a... Ooh, hello. That won't work. Oh. Oh, I don't know why that gave me a tick. Starting to see how bugs in games are made. Ooh. It gave me the green tick without being able to give me the green tick. That's... Oi, baby. Do not give me the green tick. Right, I don't know what this will do. So oh yeah, this doesn't have anything, so that's gonna probably put a camera in the floor. So it works okay for now. We have control, we have a camera. Alright, okay, so that's just gonna default to the... Oof. So it's not actually doing anything. Who would have guessed? Oh. I'm an idiot. Now we should have a camera on the floor. So it gave us the green light because none of that code was connected. That's why it was fine with that. There we go. That's like actually perfect. So what we're gonna do is scoot a little camera duty into the corner, maybe. Or maybe we should have it rotatorized. Can I have local rotation? Relative. World. Relative. God damn it. So, yeah, you can do this. And we just delete the camera actor there, because that'll play havoc. Certainly that will play havoc. Lose immortality. Boom. And we get a cheeky death camera. It mocks you with the scenery of carnage that you left. Also, interesting to note that the camera that it spawned constrain aspect ratio. Yeah? No, yeah? About this. In constrain aspect ratio. So it's a 16:9. Replace the floor with the moon. Oh, okay. I will work on that. Yeah, there we go. So now it's going to constrain the aspect ratio. So replace ghosts with thrall. Yeah, it's basically just Destiny at this point. So there's a thing, right? There's no, Barrel Boys. Death camera. Set view target with blend. Babies with engrams. Replace the blue beam just with a giant effigy of Master Rahul. What shape is an engram? I don't think it's a. It's a platonic solid, definitely. Sorry, I go too far. Okay, yeah, set view target with blend, like a D20. Yeah, like a D20. Aren't there different shapes of engram? The blue ones are smaller. They got fewer faces, maybe. And the blue and white ones are like, you know, you're not sure. I'm not sure either. I know I know items are triangles, right? Or pyramids. Pyramids. VT blend linear. Blend times 0. What get game mode. Notes and stuff for pyramids, ammo is blocks. Oh, no, ammo is blocks, yeah. Big old blocky boys. Set view target with blend. That we have a set view target with blend. But where is that blending to? Is that when we die or is that when we respawn? Kill me. Now I remember why we don't have a view target with blend. Yeah, that is a problem. That is a problem. Kill, destroy actor. So this that set view target with blend. The view target with blend is pentagonal dodecahedron. A pentagonal dodecahedron. I don't think I can just spawn those. Nope. Sorry. I'd have to model one. Quote unquote model. As it's a platonic solid, I'm pretty sure that's pretty easy. A D12. Right. But the other one, is it the purple ones and the gold ones are definitely D20s, right? What are they? They're triangles, right? Are they what? Icosahedron or something? Maybe. No, they're all the same shape. Oh, okay. What about masterwork cores? Haha. But bigger and brighter. Oh, okay. What game am I in right now? BPBM game mode, right? The wrong game. I need Barrel Boys. So this spawn actor, camera actor. Death camera location. Okay, so we what what I think my brain is trying to juggle too many balls here at the same time. But it's okay, kids. The balls are inert. Do you think they should have done like a D8, D10, D12, D20? I think if they'd stuck only to if they stick only to the platonic solids, there's one bigger than a pentagonal dodecahedron, and there's one smaller that they could have used for like blues and whites, and exotics and purples, whatever. Because D10s are a no shape. Something tessellation, something math problem, something. I mean, it's a cool shape, but like I get the feeling of what they were trying to achieve is like one of those exotics should just drop their gun. Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Like, but like in pristine condition, like in like an aura, and it spins slowly, like it's on a table. You know, like a mouth noise stream. Delay spawn player. F camera. Okay. And then this guy on event begin play. What do you mean no? Excuse me. What do you mean he doesn't have? I mean, when was the last time you saw an exotic engram? Haha. It's true. It's true though. What I don't get is what I don't get is I made this program before Death Stranding even came out. No, what I don't get is how am I blending to the player after he's respawned? Except that doesn't seem to be like anywhere here. Spawn transfer, death character, camera location, death camera, game mode, camera. Restart game, quick game branch. Input is cause player character. Event respawn. Here we go. Sequence 0. Death camera location. Set camera. Set spawn actor, camera actor, game mode camera. Is valid. Input object is valid. Is not valid. Do the thing. Set the thing. Update the thing. Target camera component. Set constraint aspect ratio. Yes. This is incorrect. Get player controller. Set view target with blend. Blend target. Player controller. New view target. Is that a pepperami? Oh, it's a table flip. Oh, Yangus flipping a table. He does that like in the first 10 hours of the game. Fully flips a table. Big funny, big meme. I like it. I need to find this, but somewhere else. Oh, hello. Ah, you were hidden inside a function. I see. And now he's flipping a Hearthstone beer. Yes, it was a pub brawl. Maybe you were here for the stream. If you would, check out the. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to be serious. I'm trying to get this done. BP Barrelman camera variable, I don't know. That's helpful. And now he flees from I know his name, don't tell me. Calamari, King Calamari. Comedy legend of the deep sea. Master of accent imitation. Spawn transform. Spawn actor BP Barrelman. Set BP Barrelman camera variable, I don't know. This is a BP Barrelman object reference. This is not an object, right? This is how am I getting this? How find me the references, please. Oh, we're spawning him, right? And then we're getting a reference to him. No, you're not being a distraction, don't worry. Then we're possessing him, and then we're respawning him. What? This is a confusing thing. Who wrote this fucking code? I copied it, yes, but I did not write it. Game mode camera. That's the camera that we have now. Respawn player. Event graph. Function respawn player. There it is. So that happens second. So what we need to do is we need to actually this is barrel game. I don't need barrel game. This is actually going to be the second set you target. Sure, whatever. BPPM game mode camera and death mode camera, and then that's camera actor object reference. Oh god. Right, so we do the first one is 0 blend times 0 blend exponent blend to a camera in the same location as the camera is when we died, and that we need a second transform, which we are going to cast. We're going to do the cast, and it's going to be fine. Don't worry. Don't even. Oh my god. Haha. We should probably make the variable first. Duplicate. This is going to be, oh, for God's sake. Game mode camera transform. They're the same values in. God damn it. Yeah. Just let me have. Just let me have. Okay. Set alive. Death. Disable input. Making it longer. Yeah, we're making it longer. Oh God. Cast to game mode. Game mode. Set. Death. Camera transform. As this guy, and then we get will transform. Wham. Hey, I just arrived. What kind of game am I working on? I'm working on roughly top-down, inline, slightly isometric arcade shooting game called Bubble Man, for no adequately explainable reason. Oh God, everything is far too close together. Give me some space. Compile, save. Excellent. Not be close enough. So spawn actor, camera actor. This is game mode camera. Death camera transforms. When we die, we get that transform. So this is actually got to be the other one. Good. So this death camera transform, spawn transform, boom. And then this is death mode camera. Set death mode camera. Okay. Camera Anim object reference not compatible with camera actor object reference. What? Oh yeah, they have a predefined animation to be played on camera. Hell no. What are you doing? My finger must have slipped. Sorry about that. Oh boy, I wish there was like a neater way we could lay these out. That's blend time 0, blend exponent 0, blend time 1, blend exponent 0.5. Okay, so when we die, it should make a new camera. It should set that new camera to be what we were looking at before, and then it should blend to the camera in the helpful. Okay, something pending kill. God damn it. One day I'll remember to plug all my pins in, don't worry. Well, that's not right. It's not this one. It's not this. It's this. Brain. Big brain. Maybe that will make a small difference to how well it works. Maybe it won't make any difference at all. Smack. It's beautiful. It's perfect. That made all the difference, yes. We don't need that. I want to see it. I want to see it with a different blend. Why did it not work that one time? The hell? Kinda glitchy, huh? Not this one, this one. I don't know what I was thinking here. Don't need to know. Yeah, right, okay. So if it is valid, destroy it and make a new one out of the new stuff that we got coming. Spaghetti highway, I know. That's a little bit more readable, I guess. Throw it on top. Spaghetti highway. That should work better. And it should work every time as well. I didn't pass the lateral thinking exam for a high-end private school for nothing. I didn't go to the private school, God no. Jesus. Now, is there a... Where's the respawn player function? Hello, respawn player function. The Barrel Boys one actually is exactly what we want. So just go to respawn. That's all we got. So this is the very last thing that we do. Game mode camera. And then that is BP Barrelman camera variable. I don't know. That is just the character object reference. Okay. I'm actually just gonna put this on a second window for speed's sake, and then went to watch Blitter Boy gameplay. But Blitter Boy game, we have Blitter Boy gameplay at home. God damn it. Game mode camera, no. Oh, well, technically, yes. Technically, yes. And then... that? Is that all we need to do? Maybe you should do a Demo 46 stream. Demo 40... Was it on Demo 46, not Demo 42? Has my entire life been a lie? Playthrough adventure. Oh, Jesus. Feisty, ain't he? $42, $46, $56. Are they the good ones for the Eurose stuff? Tell you what I really liked on Net Eurose. There was a cool racing game set in a tube. That's the only way I can describe it for you. Oh, Jesus. You don't get a lot of time to... Blah. So something's going wrong there. '56 had Roll Cage 2 and Colony Wars Red Sun. Ooh. I'll tell you another game that was like Omega fun. Warzone 2100. If anyone has a copy of that, it's just send it to me. Let's do that, and then oh, and 100%, and the 100% Final Fantasy 7 saves. I remember those. It's kind of cute. It's gonna need some work. Net Eurose was 02 42 99. I don't have disc 2, so I have 42. I might have 99. God, can you imagine that? 99 episodes of OPSM. Oh, I was meant to be testing the death camera, wasn't I? Yeah, 42's the good one. I say good. I'm satisfied. This is a good enough place. What if 99 had like Little Boy 2? It's an excellent point, but I've got to go because I'm bored. No, I've done everything I wanted to do. I'm gonna pack this up. I'm gonna save this. Gonna export this. I'll upload it to the HEO page, and we will be done with it. And when I say done with it, I mean be done with the week 30 snapshot, quote unquote 30. We have still lost those 5 weeks to music, but it won't get us down. At least I think this is week 30. You know what? This is going to be the week 30 snapshot, whether it's week 30 or not, because this is a pretty good place to stop tinkering. I know the second I touch it now, it's just going to fucking self-destruct. So, without further ado, thanks for coming to watch the live video. If you came to watch the live video, thanks for coming to watch the video on demand. If you came to watch the video on demand, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.